there guys, this is Tracey here and welcome back to ToyBroadway. So today a big thank you to ZURU for sending us a new fidget toy. It's called Tangle. So I have a classic and a crazy version. This toy is for ages 3 and above and you can collect and connect them. Oh wow, there's lots of them. There's metallic and sparkly ones. And there's also crazy coloured ones. So it says here that Tangle makes you feel good. Pick it up, twist it, tangle it, fidget. The only thing you can't do is put it down. So let's check these Tangle toys out. So let's go for the classic one first. Oh wow, it's cool. It makes a great ring. And let's just have a little fidget. Well, there's clear pieces here, pink and blue. And it moves any which way, any direction. So we can wind it round and round. Get it back to its original shape. Ah, and there it says Tangled there, that's the logo. And we can make all different sorts of shapes with it. It's great to play with. And it comes apart, just snaps apart just like so, and easily snaps back together, which is very cool. We can make different shapes. It's very fidgety. It does make you want to sort of play with it more and more. I can see why they say it's hard to put down. So that's our classic Tangle. Let's check out our crazy Tangle. And let's just pop it open here. So this is a brightly coloured one. And we have blue, pink, and also clear. And again, it's very fiddly and fidgety. And it also comes unclipped. And you can just pop it back together, which is very cool. And this one has different textures. That's awesome. Would you believe that Tangle was invented over 30 years ago by an artist and sculptor? It was designed in the principles of Asian philosophy, including Zen. Let's try fitting our two Tangle toys together. So we can just unclip it like so, and unclip the other one, and just snap it together. And of course, the more you have, the larger the tangle, which is so cool. I love it. You can make all different sorts of designs. You could probably make a long bracelet or a necklace. I'm almost plaiting this. That's amazing. In the comments below, let me know which is your favourite fidget toy. Also, be sure to like this video and tap on any of the boxes that will appear to continue the fun, and to subscribe. If you would like to buy Tangle, I'll leave a link below.